my boat up there.
Last call for the Appledore. Last call. 2 hours of sailing out around the bay. Love, adventure, romance on the high seas. It's all waiting for you.
Sailing is just a real feeling of freedom when you turn those engines off, and that this works, and you can go places, and it's very powerful. I'm called the Commodore. It's a nickname. It's not given by myself. It was given by crew and people years ago. The boat is not right for a day sail. It's not right for overnight. It's just not right. It's just great, though. Sailing itself, a lot of people have never been sailing, especially big boat sailing, which is a lot more comfortable. And then we'd like them to see the scenery. The coast of Maine is to die for. Those mountains coming down to the water's edge. And they can have a cocktail. Jeez, what a good idea. Dr. Spock, the baby doctor, used to sail with me in Camden Harbor. We had a charter of Nixon White House staffers. Jimmy Buffett used to hang out on the boat in Camden Harbor here. That was very cool. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. If there aren't martinis in heaven, I'll be around the corner.